Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to use the DateTimeToString function, which is used to convert a date and time value into a string format for use in SQL queries. For this video, we'll demonstrate how to use this function to capture the total outstanding invoice amount for a customer up to sales invoice date. Let's get started. Step 1. Declaration variable. The first thing we need to do is put in variables to store the formatted string. var stands for variable, type var, followed by the variable name, s and d. S will be storing the SQL query, d is the variable that will store the date result in string. After the colon, specify the data type of both variables as string. Step 2. Explanation on DateTimeToString function. Click on Language tab, find the datetime from the function, select DateTimeToString and drag it into the code. DateTimeToString is used here to convert the date from the invoice to a string in the month, day, year format. Variable will store the resulting string in D. Month, day, year specifies the desired date format by report builder. Main.date retrieves the invoice date from the report. Step 3. Construct the SQL query. The SQL query is built dynamically and stored in the variable s. To calculate the outstanding amount, use sum to get the difference between document amount and payment amount. From AR_IV specifies the table where the data is located. For filtering by customer code, use code, and match the customer code from the report data field. Quoted string returns single quoted, such as value you might insert into a table. Without the quoted string will return the error. Example with quoted string, A will become quoted A. For filtering sales invoice date, use .date, less than or equal to capture the outstanding amount up to invoice date. Quoted string and pass in D. To exclude cancelled invoices, set cancel to false. Step 4. Retrieve query results. Finally, we need to retrieve and assign the value. The dbSQL_getFieldValue_SQL is used to execute in SQL query and extract a specific value that can be retrieved from utility function. After checking it is not a null value, assign the data to value. If it is a null value, the value will be set to 0. Once everything is set, right-click and select Compile to check for errors. If there is no more error, click Save on the top left corner. Thus, you can see in the report that the total outstanding invoice amount is shown. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest video, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.